Welcome! Today, we're diving into creating a sleek news website using WordPress in 2025. First, choose a solid hosting service. This is the foundation for your website's performance. Next, install WordPress. Most hosting services offer a one-click installation feature. Choose a responsive theme that fits your news style. It should be easy to navigate and visually appealing. Now, add essential plugins. SEO, security, and performance boosters are a must for success. Finally, publish engaging content regularly. Quality articles will keep your audience coming back. And there you have it. Your news website is ready to take off in 2025. Stay updated with the latest trends and keep your site fresh to engage your audience. Make sure to promote your website on social media. Share, connect, and grow your audience. Thanks for watching. Start building your news website today and make your mark in 2025. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on web development and digital marketing. See you in the next video.